Hi everyone, my name is Nay and welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury, fashion, and lifestyle, you're going to feel right at home here. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you would like to be alerted whenever I upload a new video. All right, so let's get right into it. So today's video is going to be a review of the Hermes Bride-A-Brac. And I did get the color hibiscus. I would say it's like a hot pink. It also does have orange also on the bottom. The strap does have the two snaps, and they do have Hermes. So it's a pretty decent size. Actually, Hermes calls this a toiletry case, but a lot of people do use this as a handbag. This is the large size. I think from the beginning I did want to go ahead and get the large, but then when I got it, I said, oh, this is so big. I probably could have gone with the small size, but I'm satisfied with the large. I think the small is also a decent size. It does have that H detail and hibiscus as well. Let me try to bring it closer so that you can see that H right there. Go ahead and open it up. Snap is right here. You just go ahead and snap that. As you guys can see, you can hang it up. So that's what the inside looks like. The inside is huge. I did not expect it to be this big. I really didn't. I was so surprised. So the inside actually looks like the material they use for the Hermes dust bags. I'm assuming that you can just get a wipe or a cloth and just clean the inside. There goes the Hermes tag right there. There's one huge pocket right here. And on the other side, there are two pockets. They're fairly deep. I did carry this once or twice, and I put an insert inside of mine just to make sure it stayed clean. But I'm sure they would wipe off easily, as well as the front, because of the canvas material. So when I was ordering this, I was wondering how it was going to come packaged. I wasn't sure how I was going to receive it because some people were saying that it comes in tissue paper and that's it. Other people said they received it in a box. I saw online, I think someone unboxed it. They had a hat box. I did get this box right here, which is, how am I gonna, which is still a decent size box. I did ask my SA in store about this item, and she said it's very, hard to get. So I decided to go ahead and check online to see if I could find it. I was happy with this color. I love pink. I thought the hibiscus was so bright. I love the orange. I think the two colors go beautifully together. So I was definitely happy with this. So usually for me, I like to make sure that the item is actually shipped. That way that's when I usually start to feel like, okay, I'm gonna get this piece. These items are so hard to get. Like once Hermes puts any bag on their website, it's gone within minutes. So the day that I was able to order this, I kept checking, refreshing, and checking all the time. And then eventually it popped up. I've also seen this used like as a lunchbox. I guess if you wanted to, carry lunch in it, you could fit your water bottle in there. Actually, a few water bottles in here easily with no problem. So I've seen it as that. You're on vacation, you're going to the pool, or even to take to the beach with you. So there's so many ways you can use this. I think it's just a great item from Hermes. I really, really like it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I decorate the Bride-A-Brac. It's cute like this, but of course, this is Hermes. Had to add a twilly. I'm tying it actually at the side. I know that with some of the other bags, we can tie it across, but I'm going to go ahead and tie mine at the side so that I'm able to, right? So you want to be able to open and close. Okay, something like that. Makes it look really cute. You can see, kind of dress it up a little bit. That definitely adds a little something extra to the bag, I think. And I decided to go ahead and get the twilly that does have orange and it has pink. So I think it's so cute. Crook of the arm, twilly, top handle. Super cute. Okay, so let me know down below if you guys have a Bride-A-Brac, love the Bride-A-Brac, want a Bride-A-Brac. Just let me know in the comments down below what you think of the bag / toiletry case. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching.